Welcome back to Best Brains Quiz. Please subscribe. How well do you know animals? Answer 50 questions about the animal kingdom. You are a genius if you can get up to 30 questions correctly. Which of these two might keep going even without their head? Ant or cockroach? Cockroach. Who would win a 100 meters dash on land? Horse or cheetah? Cheetah. In the dark of night, who sees more clearly? Owl or cat? Owl. Which one might grab a stick to get a snack? Chimpanzee or gorilla? Chimpanzee is correct. Who jumps so well they could give kangaroos a challenge? Kangaroo or rabbit? Kangaroo is correct. Which bird could repeat your words back to you? Parrot or crow? If you choose parrot, you are right. Whose jaws could crush bones with ease? Shark or crocodile? Crocodile. Whose ears are tuned for faraway whispers? Elephant or dog? The correct answer is dog. Which one is likely to never forget? Dolphin or elephant? Elephant. Soaring above the clouds, who flies the highest? Albatross or eagle? Albatross. Who sees colors you can't even imagine? Human or mantis shrimp? Mantis shrimp. Who is the true master of engineering, on land or underwater? Termite or beaver? Beaver is correct. If camouflage were a race, who would shift shades first? Octopus or chameleon? Octopus is right. Which creature can zap you with its body? Stingray or electrical eel? Electrical eel. If you raced them in water, who'd leave you in bubbles? Sailfish or dolphin? Sailfish. Pound for pound, who's stronger? Who lights up the night sky, no batteries needed? Glowworm or firefly? Firefly is correct. Who's the real egg factory here? Turtle or frog? Frog. Tongue wars, who wins? Anteater or giraffe? Anteater is right. Who has the better comeback, limb-wise? Starfish or crab? Starfish. Who can see with sound? Owl or bat? Bat is correct. Who's got more shoes to fill, literally? Centipede or millipede? Millipede is correct. Which is deadlier at first touch? Cobra or box jellyfish? Box jellyfish. If hiding were an art, who's the Picasso of the animal world? Octopus or leaf insect? Leaf insect. Who can stare underwater with sharper focus? Seal or shark? Shark. Drop in the comment how many questions you've answered correctly so far. Let's continue. If they were on a jungle gym, who would impress more? Koala or monkey? Monkey. Who's louder when making a fuss? Is it donkey or hyena? Hyena. Who's got a bigger ticker, heart? Blue whale or giraffe? Blue whale is correct. One spits from rage, the other from venom. Which one's harmless? Llama or cobra? Llama is correct. Whose nose knows more? Is it a bear or a dog? A bear is correct. Who wins the dry challenge? Camel or kangaroo rat? Kangaroo rat. Who's slicker in the sea? Sea lion or penguin? Sea lion. Who talks in clicks and whistles? Is it orca or dolphin? Dolphin is correct. Who waggles their way to communication? Ant or honeybee? Honeybee. Whose immune system is basically superhero level? Crocodile or vulture? Vulture. Who can wake the whole ocean with their voice? Elephant or blue whale? Blue whale is correct. If they met you once, who'd recognize your face years later? Crow or pigeon? Crow is correct. Who makes time for fun and games in the wild? Could it be otter or cat? Otter is correct. High jumper champ, who soars? Kangaroo or puma? Puma. Who'd you rather not get sprayed by? Skunk or a possum? Skunk is correct. If digging were an Olympic event, who medals first? Armadillo or mole? If you choose mole, you are correct. Who guards their young with unmatched devotion? Orangutan or elephant? Elephant. Who snoozes through the coldest seasons longest? Hedgehog or bear? Bear is correct. Who travels farther for vacation, every year? Monarch butterfly or Arctic tern? Arctic tern. Who's the better glider between the trees? Flying squirrel or sugar glider? Flying squirrel. Which one's defense could end with a hospital trip? Tarantula or poison dart frog? Poison dart frog. Who weaves silk like a master? Could it be silkworm or spider? Both are correct. Who's solving puzzles in their spare time? Crow or dolphin? Which one can breathe without breathing? Fish or frog? Frog is correct. Who's a pro at pretending to be someone else? Owl, butterfly or stick insect? Owl, butterfly is correct. Thanks for watching. If you got up to 30 questions correctly, then you are so smart. Do well to share with your friends and family to test their knowledge. Also, like and subscribe to keep getting more interesting quizzes.